I'm in the Rio Hurcanes in Las Juntas y Veranos. This is the river that disperses down to Boca de Tomatlan. During the rainy season, because of all the silt from the runoff, rivers are generally brown. When there's lots and lots of rain, sometimes it clears up after a couple weeks if we don't have any rain, but right now, definitely a lot of silt. Also, it's pretty high. Usually right here, you can swim. There's kind of a sandy beach and everything, but from all the runoff and everything, you can see maybe not a good swimming location.